Believe it or not, this is a remote control car. It looks so realistic, it can be hard to tell whether it's miniature or real. Can you tell? One of the next two clips is a remote control car, and the other is a real car. Is it this one? Or is it this one? Okay, so this one's easy. Real light bars don't look like that. Otherwise it looks like a real Land Rover Defender, just driving onto a workbench. The next two clips won't be as easy. This has to be real, or that is one small camera. I think this Jeep looks real too. Okay, that confirms it. Real driver, must be a real Jeep. These Jeep owners sure do tackle some crazy roads. Now for two more clips. Which is real, which is fake? Here we have a Defender and a Bronco taking on a steep trail. Looks real to me. Both are loaded with so many accessories, the owners probably had to take out a second mortgage. And a collection of tuner cars lined up at a car meet. Okay, this can't be real. BMW drivers don't drift. They usually only go out for lattes and cut people off without indicating. Time for the last two clips. How you doing so far? Here we have a man tipper at a construction site. Magazine on the dash. If this is a model, then the creator really knows truck drivers well. And finally, two Land Rover Defenders on an outback adventure. This is actually from a Land Rover commercial. Nah, just kidding. In case you hadn't already guessed it, these were all remote control cars. Go back and check if you don't believe me.